So let's start there. What is a sovereign cloud? I think if you want to understand the concept of sovereign cloud, we have to see it as a response to existing power imbalances. Right? Sovereign cloud is all about empowering European customers and protecting European data. In my research, I've come across 3 related and overlapping definitions of a sovereign cloud, which we'll talk about now. The first is a broad notion of sovereign cloud is related to customer autonomy. The second focuses more specifically on the issue of foreign government control, while the third deals with the objective of strategic autonomy. So let's unpack what each of those terms mean. We're talking about customer autonomy. We're talking about a broad understanding of sovereign cloud that is all about empowering customers to make informed choices about the IT resources that they use, and making sure that customers can exercise control over the cloud resources they use. And that includes things like being able to determine where their data are stored, who can access and use the data they store in the cloud, and what metadata a provider collects about the customer's use of the cloud. Customer autonomy is also related to issues of vendor lock-in. Right? There are long-standing concerns in cloud markets about customers' ability to leave their cloud provider if they are not satisfied with some element of the service. And that has to do with issues of portability, both of data and applications, as well as interoperability, right? The ability to use different cloud services from different providers in a joined-up way. In other words, what we're talking about here is addressing the existing power imbalance between cloud customers and cloud providers in a very broad sense.